3, 2, 1. Alright, what's up guys? I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded, but we just launched another rocket. I launched another few, so we'll keep with the tradition and do a little launch recap for, my custom rockets. So this is the TSP SkyShrimp Mini 1, or just the TSP Mini 1 nowadays, I guess. We launched it on an A10-3T, one of these guys, little motor like that, with the adapter, of course. I mean, this rocket we've launched so many times. I think it's like been 4 times, 5 times now. It's definitely the record for me for a single individual rocket, which is pretty cool indeed. As you guys might have saw in the footage just now, it had a very missile trajectory. I'm not too sure what happened. I think it's just an unstable rocket. Obviously, the launch lugs just kind of on weird. I mean, this rocket was like one of the, I think I built out of spare parts from a what's it called, a motor mount kit. Well, it's kind of just weird. It's small. These fins are weird. They're not really made well. But I mean, this guy's done a good job. He's flown so many launches. The parachute, as y'all might know. Okay, this 3D printed nose cone in a second. The nose cone was 3D printed. And then this parachute I made out of a trash bag. I think it's 6-inch diameter. It just is not deployed in so long. So, and it's fine though, because still like the drag that it still pops out, and then it just kind of comes out as a ball. It kind of stays together. And the drag that creates is enough. So, I mean, it doesn't need to pop out as a parachute, but that's just something I noticed. These A10-3T motors, they actually keep firing for a long time. I feel like with the A8, the A8 motors, which are regular sized, I don't remember, these are like the tiny size motors. I feel like these ones go longer than the A8s, which is kind of weird because the higher this number, usually the shorter it will burn for, because it all averages out at, I think, 2.5. It's been a while since I've done rocketry, so I don't remember everything, but it's cool. These motors come in bags now. I like that. The bags are nicer than I guess not as great for the environment, but I mean, this is, the old packaging, kind of annoying to do. I guess about the same for the environment, because it's covered in this plastic. I mean, not that it matters. It's such a minute, minuscule hobby that, the effect of rocketry on the environment, probably not that big indeed. But anyways, yeah, it was a nice launch. I mean, it flew well. It didn't kill anyone, so we count that as a win. It did fly like a missile, it had that arc trajectory. I don't think I've ever had that happen. Glad it was on a small rocket like this. I don't know if we'll be launching this guy ever again. I mean, he deserves a break, But anyways, that was the launch. So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. 2, 1.